Hey everyone, my name is Lakke More and today I have created an healthcare application and giving the complete overview of my application. So that's the Android and iOS look. So for here is the get started screen and I am going to create an user account here and I am to create an doctor account here. For demonstration, so that's my doctor account and doctor @ and then password. These all the fields are required, and suppose if I not enter, the validation will active. Here the doctor ID will be created and then doctor, you can see the doctor profile, all the data will be here shown here. And for backend part I use Spring Boot. So here I have implemented JWT authentication and authorization, and we can see the new doctor field here in database. For database I use MongoDB, Cloud Atlas. So here our doctor ID will be shown and the password is encoded in hard coded form, and all the data, all the roles are stored here. And that's the backend. I have added complete security. And for user login, the fields of a user and doctor are slightly different. Here the fields are changed, like some fields like gender, date of birth have added, and insurance provider according to the user. Here the user account will be created, and then unique ID will be given to the both user and doctor, and the user and doctor can connect each other via code. Suppose you doctor can send, user can add doctor via code 10017 and send an connection request here, and connection request has been sent. And he got the connection request and he can accept that. From here the connection dashboard is here, and here I can see the I send an request, and here in this screen I have an option for received it. So on click on received it, I received that, and here at the my user section I can see the user, and if I refresh that, here the request is confirmed, and at the my doctor section I can see that doctor. So for user perspective we can see my doctors, and for doctor perspective we can see my users. Here my users, and on click on action he can see for doctor he can create prescription, and for user he can see and download the prescription. Before moving to this part, I will demonstrate my AI chat that detects the symptoms of the users. Suppose user have done headache, so there is some network error in iOS version, so I can demonstrate that in Android. And here suppose user have fever, so our chatbot will ask for symptoms. Suppose that is both. or he will ask for dates, and similarly he will ask for all the symptoms. So let's move on the prescription generation part. Here I have to add the start date, end date. The start date is basic and the end date is prescription. End date is 30. And prescription notes, the notes for the prescription, like, and medicine name. Here the our AI will suggest the medicine. Suppose here he suggests that, and I select that and select the dosage and the time of the day. Suppose morning, afternoon, evening, and start date, end date. End date is for that specific medicine, and notes for specific medicine. And similarly I can add another medicine like creatine and 79 morning, night, and start date, end date, and then next one. If I blank that data, here are the validations that I have to add. The end date must be after by start date. So here are the basic validation, and I can delete the additional medicine. So that's my prescription and ready, and I can send the prescription. Here the prescription is sent for that user, and when user come here, he can download the prescription. So for download part, he just scroll that and verify the prescription and download. Click on the download button. User and doctor both can download that prescription. So here is the print option, and currently that's a emulator, so I cannot show the downloaded PDF, but wait a minute. Here it is stuck here, I think, on print screen. Here the overall our PDF looks like that, and that's an professional PDF. And so for my tech stack, I uses Java,